Introducing the TX7232 base mount short circuit isolator, a critical safety component designed to enhance the reliability of fire alarm systems. Engineered to protect loop integrity, the TX7232 automatically isolates faulty sections in the event of a short circuit. This ensures that the rest of the system continues to operate without interruption, maintaining full protection across the installation. The TX7232 integrates seamlessly into addressable fire alarm loops and is fully compliant with EN 54-17 standards. Key features include automatic short circuit isolation to protect loop continuity, auto reset functionality for quick system recovery, loop powered operation with no external power required, visual LED status indication for easy monitoring. With its compact, durable construction and reliable operation, the TX7232 base mount short circuit isolator is an essential component for maintaining system integrity in residential, commercial, and industrial fire detection systems.